So I don't really look at this new opportunity as a competition with my peers. I see it as lahat po tayo may iba't ibang mga strengths, weaknesses, and that's what sets us apart individually.
Iba-iba tayo. Ang galing nung sagot niya, no? Ang hirap sagutin nun, ha? Oo, pero you answered it beautifully.
Thank you.
3 points ka na. Robbie Jaworski, 3 points. Okay, now let's go to the next question from Kapamilya Vines. What is your mom and dad's reaction now that you are officially entering showbiz? So, sila po ba sasagot na joke? Ikaw na lang, maybe you can share with us their reaction.
Well, nakikita kasi po nila ako sa bahay na labas-pasok ng bahay, leaving early in the morning, coming back in the evening. So, pag nakikita po nila ako na sumisipag, they see that they're very supportive, you know, like, I'm very glad kasi my parents, they always motivate me by saying, I'm proud of you, anak ha, keep it up, or laban lang, don't give up, kaya mo yan. So, you know, they've always been so supportive with me, and it's never been something like, oh no, don't enter it. It's, for as long as you know what you're getting into, make sure that you do your homework, do your research, and nakikita naman po nila na I am doing my homework, I am doing the research, and I'm putting in the time, so they've been nothing but supportive, and I'm so grateful talaga for that.
From what we're getting sa mga answers mo, no? So, hindi ka finors, hindi ka rin naman pinagbawalan.
No.
So, talagang may freedom ka to
Opo.
choose what you want to do.
Yes, exactly.
Oo. Ang ganda. Okay, now let's go to the next question then from Iza Iglesias of the Manila Times. Have you always thought about entering showbiz ever since? And how supportive are your parents? I think we've already answered yung how supportive. So, ito na lang. Have you always thought about entering showbiz ever since? Pero sabi mo kanina, di ba, presidente ng Pilipinas, tsaka
Opo,
LA
yeah.
Lakers player yung gusto mo.
I never, you know, God works in mysterious ways, right? Like, I never thought that I'd find myself here in showbiz, but, you know, silver lining, the stars aligned, and we're here today. So, I think it was just a matter of timing, opportunity, and, you know, just things working out this way.
Yes, tsaka ang ganda na talagang finulfill niyo yung gusto ng dad mo na magtapos muna ng pag-aaral, di ba? And that's what you did, and now you're here. Okay, now let's go to Capex. They ask, what is the most memorable advice given to you by your mom, Miss Mikey Kuwangko Jaworski, sa pagpasok mo sa showbiz? Advice. Most memorable advice.
Two-parter to at Harry.
Okay.
Yung first part, which a lot of people have told me, including yourself, always greet people and say hi to people. Always be polite and respectable. The second part of it is, be yourself, be authentic, be who you are. Because the moment that you force yourself to be someone you're not, it's easier to get lost. So, that's the two-part advice na lagi nilang inuulit sa akin. And of course, don't forget to put God in the center of your life.
Ang ganda. And share ko lang yung sinasabi niyang greet people. Kahit po mga cameraman natin, kapag nag-workshop po kami, talagang alam niya yung pangalan kahit na magbababay na, bye Kuya Micah, bye Kuya Jarvis, ganun siya. Talagang he remembers. And that means a lot to everyone. Yes, you left a little here. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So, talaga pong grounded, very grounded ang batang ito. We can't wait to see more of him in the future. Okay, now, this is once again from G. Trilliana, Entertainment Editor of Malaya. What did your parents tell you about handling success, pursuing a career, etc.?
They said, my parents told me na, you know, a lot of people think na pag hinaharap mo yung sarili mo sa limelight or sa cameras na masarap ang buhay. It's lavish, it's exciting, but behind it also comes an immense amount of responsibility, of influence. May bosses po tayo kapag ito po ang ating trabaho. Our voice is more easily heard. So, they taught me that, you know, while nothing comes easy, you always have to work hard. just remember na for whatever success that you carry along the way or receive along the way, always make sure that you don't lose yourself, you know who you are, and remember also na people are following you, looking up to you, so malaking responsibilidad po yun. So don't forget that.
Yes. And mukha naman talagang may tiwala talaga kami sa'yo na kahit na anong success yung makamit mo, you will never lose sight of yourself kasi you are constantly reminded of that, di ba? By your family.
And I'm also blessed to have, you know, a loving support system, family, friends that help me, remind me all of this.
There you go. Okay, now we will go to the next question from Neil Ramos of Tempo. What do you hope to achieve signing up as a star magic artist? Okay, isa-share mo na. Kailangan mo na mag-open up dito, Robbie. Ano ba yung gusto mo ma-achieve as a star magic artist?
As mentioned a while ago, wala naman po akong naisip na specific destination. But if you ask me what I want to achieve, I want to be able to develop myself, maging isang tao na madaming alam, malawak ang skill set, magaling makisama. I want to be able to positively affect other people and their lives. And I think my biggest dream is to do what my lolo and my parents do, which is to inspire others. Hopefully, I can do that by being an example. And as for, you know, specific goal, there's nothing specific. It's just I want to work hard, do my best, learn what I can, and inspire others along the way.
Ngayon pa lang actually, very inspiring na. Pag nakikinig kami, pag nagsasalita ka, para kami nasa podcast, di ba?
Thank you.
Yung boses niya pang podcast, no? Parang ang sarap pakinggan. Okay, now let's go to the next question. From Isa Iglesias of the Manila Times. Oh, ito tungkol na sa talents. What will you be focusing on? Acting, singing, dancing, or hosting?
I'd say siguro acting and hosting mostly. Hindi po ako masyado mahusay sumayaw eh. Kaya kailangan ko pa po mag-workshop. But yeah, I've been practicing my acting. We've been training with the hosting, and I feel quite confident that those are the two strengths I have right now. And I'm very excited to develop myself there, work with others like you know. So yeah, acting and hosting, I'd say.
Acting and hosting. Tsaka, alam mo sa hosting kasi kaya niya mag-Tagalog tsaka mag-English. Konti lang yung kaya yon, di ba? Fluent siya in both. So, kanina nga naghambing ka. May sinabi siyang, hindi ko po ihahambing yung sarili ko. Parang, wow, ang deep. Hindi namin in-expect. Yeah. So, you know, you have such huge potential in that area. That's the only thing I can comment on though, syempre sa hosting. Sa acting, you've been taking workshops, so we can't wait to see that. Sabi mo, hindi sa dancing. Pero hindi ka nag-comment sa singing. Do you sing?
Sakto lang kapag may yung karaoke, kapag may ganun. Pero other than that, I've never experienced like performing or anything.
Oh. So pwede. May chance.
I don't know, we'll see.
Okay, abangan po natin yan. Isa yun sa mga surprises na aabangan natin kay Robbie. By the way, yung mga questions po natin, sinend po yan ng ating mga friends from the media. And sobrang dami po. So thank you very much po sa lahat ng inyong questions and interest kay Robbie Jaworski.